Hi everyone, happy Friday. I'm bringing you an unboxing video today. My brother and I went to the flagship Beverly Hills Louis Vuitton store, or I should say we went to the flagship Louis Vuitton store in Beverly Hills on Rodeo Drive today, and we went specifically because we've been living in LA all our lives and we've never actually been to that Louis Vuitton location. And to be honest, I am quite new to the Louis Vuitton world in terms of being an actual customer. I'm relatively new to it, so I'm just starting out my collection and I've been loving the pieces that I've been adding so far. I needed to add a evening clutch slash very lightweight travel bag, and today I found one called the Pochette Felicie in the Love Lock series. So let me go ahead and get to the unboxing. So this is the bag that it came in. Very beautiful. And I already opened it because I couldn't wait, but again, all Louis Vuitton packages are wrapped up in this Louis Vuitton blue and orange string. Here is, oops, the actual box. Magnetic closure, opening it up. Here's the dust bag with the pochette inside. Let's go ahead and get that opened. All right, are you ready? I'm super excited. Here it is. So this is the bag itself. This is the front, this is the side, this is the back. And like I said, you can get the Pochette Felicie in the monogram, the Damier Ebene, and the Damier Azur. This is the Love Lock series. This is new and it's limited edition, and this is paying homage to in Paris, where there's that one chain link fence that people go and attach locks to. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, so the dimensions of the bag. It is 8.25 inches across, I believe 4.75 inches high, and about 1.25 inches in depth. So it's great as an evening clutch, and I think they classify this actually as a wallet on chain. So when you open it up, it's a snap button closure with a little Louis Vuitton logo embossed on it. Inside is this fuchsia pink, which I love pink. Every Pochette Felicie comes with these two items. So this is a card case with 8 card slots. Also, it has a nifty little pocket if you want to put any parking stubs, parking validation tickets, valet cards, receipts, you can put in there. Also, it comes with this little monogram pouch with coordinating leather piece on the zipper. And inside is also that beautiful fuchsia color. So this is nice as a coin purse, cash purse. And then, of course, as a wallet on chain, you of course need the chain itself. So this particular type of small leather good, as it's classified, only comes with a metal chain, no vachette strap, and each side of the chain has this lobster claw design, and it's got the, of course, LV logo on both of the lobster claws on both sides. And that's my unboxing, guys. Initial impressions. It is made with a slightly thicker canvas, so at first I was a little concerned about the structural integrity because it is kind of more of a structured bag. However, as you can see here, it's reinforced. There's the resin glazing here, so I believe that if you just grasp this and use it as more of a clutch, that it should maintain its structural integrity. We shall see, right? Let me go ahead and show you some mod shots of this. I will see you next time.